Hello, this is Anirudh Kumar, and I have done this SuperJoin hiring assessment task. So this is my repo from the name Demon to Angel, and let me show you the workflow. So this was my approach, where PostgreSQL and Google Sheets got the Google Sheet API from Google Sheet and Drive, and then Postgre is downloaded here itself, and then connected it with my Python. The main task were real-time sync, CRUD operation, scalability, and conflict handling. So real-time sync from Postgre and Sheets has been done using the Flask API, Flask app, and then CRUD operation I have tested it using Postman and developed it using the Flask API. And then these are the operations I will let you know very soon. And then scalability. For scalability, basically chunking, indexing, and starting, I have done API rate limits to mainly like you can give 5 requests or 10 requests like that, and then batch operation. Most of them we have to implement using our brain when we are doing the thing in the sheet and the Postgre, or some of them has been implemented in the app. And then conflict handling has been done using the last min strategy. So whoever writes the operation on the last basis will be the one to take care. And then I have implemented AuthenticationScheduler, which will sync both sheets and Postgre in 5 minutes. Then implemented all the things has been completed, and testing and the documentation part has been done. So I will show you the code. This here the code is. So basically this is the app.py. All the Flask routes are here. Then config.py. Then CRUD operations. All read, write, update, everything. And then Google Sheets. Here the Sheets API, and then the read sheets, write to sheets. This is the database model, ID, name, email, and timestamp, IDC primary key. Then you have scheduler. That will, here I have implemented for right now, it's 1 minute, but we can do it 5 minutes, 10 minutes, whatever we want. Then this is the sync sheet to DB, and then this is DB to sheet syncing process, and then the testing. Now we're testing API. So yeah, we will test it right now. What is the operation? Let's see. So if we see all rows, we have char at the last. So now we can implement through this. So let's say Bulbasaur, and this is what Pokemon. So what Pokemon at gmail.com. This is the time you can set it to the right now. So send. Okay, I have not started the app. Python app.py. The server will start. Server starting this. Yeah, server has been started, and now so it has been added. We can check get all requests. So all these will be here, and this is the what Pokemon Bulbasaur. And then if you want to get by ID, so let's check here whether it has been implemented here or not. So view all rows. Yeah, Bulbasaur is here. So it's the 9th ID. And so let's go here. Record 9. Save send. What Pokemon here is it? Get all if you want all the information. Then update if you want to update the record. Then we can update. Let's update. Let's put 1 on the 1. There was no 1. Yeah, so we cannot update it. And Bulbasaur has updated what Pokemon. Yeah, save send. Done. So let's see if it has been updated or not. Yeah, so view all rows. Yes, it has been updated, and then we can do it. Let's sync it. So send. Now sheet has been updated. We can see this Bulbasaur is here. And if we add here, let's add here. Control C, Control V. The options obviously. So 10, and let's say Pikachu and electric Pokemon, but it will remove the duplication because I have implemented that. And then this part, Control A, Control C, Control V, Control S, and then database will be synchronized, and let's see whether it works or not. So all rows. Okay. Yeah. Both will be synced, or will be updated in a minute or so. There is not much of an issue. So we can just go here and try again for the last time. So yeah, I guess it will be updated in 1 minute or so by itself, and everything is working. Yeah, you can see everything here. So yeah, that's it from my side, and you can read the other things in the app, in the documentation itself. Thank you.